Tesla driver from 2018 crash was eating. Had autopilot on. U.S. agency US government investigative agency NTSB's preliminary report on the 2018 crash involving the 2014 Tesla Model S and a fire truck claimed that the car was in autopilot mode. Autopilot was engaged continuously for the final 13 minutes 48 seconds before the collision. NTSB said, "I was having a coffee and a bagel," the car's driver also told the NTSB. Video shows Tesla driver asleep in moving car. Tesla calls it a prank. A video posted by a U.S. man shows the driver of a Tesla car sleeping as the car speeds along the highway. Responding to the video, a Tesla spokesperson said, "Many of these videos appear to be dangerous pranks or hoaxes. Our driver monitoring system repeatedly reminds drivers to remain engaged and prohibits the use of autopilot when warnings are ignored." IIT Kharagpur students build home rechargeable three-wheeler. A team of students and professors at the Indian Institute of Technology, Kharagpur has built Tesla, an electric three-wheeler that can be charged at home. 3-year research and development for building the vehicle was led by mechanical engineering Professor Vikrant Rachurla. Tesla can run at a speed of up to 50 km/h and is more stable and jerk-free on roads. Elon Musk trolls Porsche for calling its first electric car turbo-electric car maker Tesla's co-founder and CEO Elon Musk took to Twitter to troll German luxury automaker Porsche for calling its first ever electric car turbo. Porsche. This word turbo does not mean what you think it does, Musk wrote. Turbochargers, found in internal combustion engine vehicles which use fossil fuels, increase performance by pumping more compressed air into the engine. Ola, Uber may not be big factor in auto sector slowdown. Maruti Suzuki Executive Director, Marketing and Sales, Shashank Srivastava has said Ola and Uber may not be a big factor in the current slowdown. He said that people in India still purchase cars with an aspirational aspect. People may use Ola and Uber to go to offices, but still they buy a vehicle for the weekend outings with the family, he said.